Welcome back to the EJ Ward FuelView training series. In this video, we're going to be going over how to assign a Ward 4 Canceiver main configuration. To do this, we need to drop down the Canceiver management folder and then go into Assign Main Config. This is one of those special pages that doesn't look like a regular grid, so it's going to look a little different. And once that page comes up, we just select our configuration first. So we're going to go ahead and select the one that we created in the last video. And from there, we have something that's a lot like assigning a vehicle type, and we can do it by department or by vehicle. So let's go ahead and do it by department. And then I'm going to select the department that I want to send this Canceiver configuration to, all the vehicles that have Canceivers in this department. So we're going to go ahead and select our training department, and we'll do that by searching for it. And we can just search by department name. And then you just checked the blue checkbox on the left-hand side. So you can do multiple departments if you want. We can select a couple departments here. You could do this the same way with vehicles, which I'll show you in a second. But once you have everything selected, and I know that I want all of these done, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. The other option that we have is if you want to do every single vehicle inside of the system, you can check the Update All Departments, and then when the vehicles are there, there's going to be an Update All Vehicles that we can select as well. Once we click on Save, this is going to set every vehicle that we have inside of the training department to get a main configuration of Training 1 whenever it talks to the system. So with the Ward 4 Canceivers, the first time that they talk to the system, they're going to find out what vehicle they are, and they're going to find out, do I need a main configuration of any sort? And with this setup, if my vehicle came inside of the training department, it's going to say, yes, I need Training 1, and it's going to download all that information and start gathering all that information that's inside of the main configuration. The other way that we can do it is by vehicle. So if we select by vehicle, we can just drop this down, and you can just start selecting all the different vehicles that you want. So I could search through these vehicles here and get all 2018s or 2003s. And then you can select them, search for another set, and then select those as well. It keeps these checked. But once I have all the vehicles that I want, I could also select Update All Vehicles, and this just means it's going to select every single vehicle in the system. And then I'll hit Save, and it sets all those to get a main configuration the first time that it connects to the system with its new Canceiver. I don't need these, so I'm going to go ahead and leave these off and go out of this page. But that concludes our video on how to assign a Ward 4 main configuration to a Canceiver. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.